I'm Anil Kumar, and in this test series on polynomials, here are two examples based on factoring sum and difference of cubes. So the first one here is we need to factor 7 times x to the power of 4 minus 448x, and the second one is x to the power of 9 minus 512. You can use these formulas. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. And if we have plus here, then the sign will change slightly as shown here. Perfect. You can now pause the video, factor the given expressions, and then check with my solution. So let's begin with the very first one, which is 7x to the power of 4 minus 448x. Now here, x can be taken common. 448 is also a multiple of 7. So we can take 7x as a common factor. That will give us x cubed. And let's divide 448 by 7. 7 6 times is 42. Let me write minus first. 6 times 42. And then 28. 7 times 4 is 28, right? 7 times 4 is 28. So what we get here is 7x times x cubed minus 64. Now 64, can you write this as cube of some number? 4 cube is indeed 64, right? Now we'll apply this formula. So we have 7x, x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x, just multiply them, plus 4 squared, which is 16, right? So that becomes the factored form for the given expression, right? Now let's do the next one, which is x to the power of 9 minus 512. Now let's write them as cubes. We could write this as x cubed whole cube, right? 512 could be written as 2 to the power of 9. So I could also write this as 2 cube whole cube, right? Since 2 to the power of 9 is 512. Okay. Now we'll again apply difference of cube formula. So that gives us x cubed minus 2 cube. A is x cubed, b is 2 cubed, times square of x cubed, which is x to the power of 6. Product of these two, 2 cubed is 8, right? 2 cubed equals to 8. So I'll write 8 plus 8x cubed plus 2 square of this will be 64, right? So 8 squared 64. So I'll write 64 here. Perfect. So that becomes the factored form. But here we have x cubed minus 2 cubed. This can be further factored, right? So we can write this as x minus 2 times square of x plus square of 2, which is, first I should write product of these two, which is 2x, plus square of 4, which is 4, times this factor, x to the power of 6 plus 8x cubed plus 64, right? So that is how you can factor the cubes. I hope that is not very difficult, right? I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Feel free to post questions. Thank you and all the best.